So this is the one that leaks, and if I turn it, it doesn't really show you how much it's leaking. It's really less. If you see, there's some water that gets around here, and there's rust on this, there's corrosion on this. I mean, it's not that bad, but I'm still wondering, if it's the right time to replace this. And the wall looks like this. This is the box, this is the drywall, and looks like it is under this. I don't really know how the pipe is behind this.